Yeah, hello, this is Veena Kohli from Vanguard Diagnostics, and it has been a real honor for me to be a part of the Consultative Committee Meeting that we had today on the MedTech subject. And I was representing the in-vitro diagnostics sector, and we talked in detail about how we could take the in-vitro diagnostics sector to the next orbit through the building blocks of catalyzing technology and innovation in India. This is not the first time that I've come to the AMTZ campus. I came about 8 years ago, but there's a difference of chalk and cheese between what I saw the last time and what I've seen here. So it's been a magical transformation and such a symbol of national pride, I would say, which entails research, which entails in-house manufacturing, make in India, and now step by step build the ecosystem of medtech, of diagnostics and medical devices in India.